Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Kayur, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make 30,000 to 40,000 dollar with print on demand business. Now if you don't believe me, this is my today half day income report where I made $19 already. My personal and my community goal is to make 100k dollar throughout the next year, and I personally invite you to join this journey and you can start making money too. All you need to do is thumbs up the video and hit on that subscribe button.
No, show me the money.
Now if you are new and still don't believe me, let me take you to the amazon.com. I just searched Christmas t-shirt, and if you can see the tag here, Amazon merch on demand, that means someone like you or me, a creator selling their PNG files on Amazon. Now this is really simple text-based design, but it sold 2,000 in past month. Now its pricing is $17.99. If we check on Amazon, he's making $3.41 per sale as a royalties. Now if we can multiply that into 2,000, he made last month with just one text-based t-shirt design $6,820. Now this is getting interesting, right?
Get back to work.
First, let me tell you what is the merch by Amazon is. If you didn't know, Amazon merch is print on demand service, essentially where you working with the Amazon to customize product like t-shirt or mug or hoodies and many more. You just upload your digital files of design and they put it on the t-shirt. But here it gets even better. The product your customer order on the Amazon, it gets printed for you, it gets shipped for you, and all the customer service is provided by Amazon merch or Amazon itself. You don't pack anything, you don't ship anything, or you don't handle any returns or emails. They do everything for you. So us as a print on demand seller, we just need to upload our digital files of design up there and they will do all the work. So it's really amazing, and you can start this business with $0. Yes, you don't need to pay anything to anyone to start this business. But let's talk about how to get into the Amazon merch on demand program. For that you need to go merch.amazon.com. Also, you can find all the link in the description, and then you need to click on sign up. After that, you need to sign in with your Amazon account, and if you don't have any Amazon account, you need to create one. And after that, it will take you to this service and agreement page where you click on the agree to their rules. And now we are getting right into the application. Now 3 things you need to apply on Amazon is your business contact information, your bank account details, and your social security number or tax information. Now this is look little complicated, but it's really normal process. Now click on the continue, and first question they ask in this page is you individual or a corporation. Just click on the individual. You don't need to be a corporation or a LLC and all the documents to start this business. After that, write your name and address, choose your country, and fill all the details, your mobile number and your email address. Now you don't need any new email address for this, but I personally suggest you to create a new email address for your old print on demand business where you log in or sign up. Most of the time you don't remember your old email password, so make sure when you create your email address you write it down somewhere. Now keep in mind you can change this email address later too, so if you don't wanna put a lot work right now, that will be alright. Once you have all the information filled out, scroll down and you end up this new add your bank account. So once you done, you scroll down to this where Amazon is asking about your bank details, where Amazon is gonna pay your profits. Now keep in mind, you don't need any business account, your normal account or saving account, it's all right. You don't need any extra bank account for this. Now the important part is, if your country not supported in this whole country, you need pioneer accounts, and that will allow you to open a US bank account and give you the details that you need to fill here. And pioneer account is completely free. You can find the link in the description. Now I personally use the pioneer account from long time, and I will get my old payment safely till now.
Wait.
After that, you need to come here, and this is the most important part. This is the part where Amazon decide either let you join or not. Remember, it's not about you, it's about how you can get customers to the Amazon website and help them to make money. And that's the mindset get you approved. And don't start to beg here just like please let me join and all. Think yourself as a businessman. Now if you have any design portfolio or a website, you can share the links here. But if you don't have anything, you can join the TeePublic or Redbubble website that are completely free. And then you can share those store link in here. Another thing we are gonna talk about is like you are not gonna infringe any copyright, and you are aware of the old rules and regulation. Tell them you are really good at making your own art and design. Amazon doesn't like to deal with anyone who copy the design and try to sell them and create a problem to their platform. And trust me, they will find out. Amazon time is valuable, and so the Amazon you are value their time. That simple assurance can massively increase your chance to getting approved. Last important thing is make sure you don't have any typos or a spelling mistake, and your all links are working. After that, you just click on send a request and Amazon will review your application. Now if you are lucky, it may reply you in 24 hours. But most likely it takes a week or even a month. Now hopefully you all get in, and that's all my tips about how to get in into Amazon. Now if you are still watching the video, I got a special tips for you. Make sure you save your this application on notepad or any text file. So in case if you get rejected, you know what to update in your application and reapply it. And in Amazon, you can reapply as many times as you want, but you have to change your email ID every time you reapply. And now you get into the Amazon merch. I say congratulations. And tell me in the comments if you do get into the Amazon merch. But this is just the beginning. Now once you get into the Amazon, there is a tier system, which means Amazon have a 10 design slot. So you can upload 10 t-shirt design, and once you sell 10 t-shirt, you will get tier up to the 25, and after that 100, and after that 500, and it keeps rolling. Now Amazon has changed a little bit. I know some people get into the tier 1000 directly to start, and it's all on Amazon and maybe on your luck. Once you get into the Amazon, don't start uploading design on your first day. Watch some videos or learn about the copyright and what design you can sell or what not. Create a high quality design and make sure other didn't already uploaded that design or the idea you are thinking of. One mistake I personally made is I uploaded a hurricane survival t-shirt design, and that is taken down by the Amazon. Now you can't sell the human tragedies or natural disaster related design to the Amazon. And one more thing is never use the gift word on your listing. No one told me about this, but I am here for you. When you are in your first start, just focus on uploading high quality design. Think about who's your target audience and who's gonna buy the t-shirt that you are designing. Big mistake I made was getting out of tier 10 by not buying my own t-shirt design. Yes, you can buy your own t-shirt and you can use them to market them or to get out of tier 10 quickly. And if you don't have a money, you can ask your friends or family to buy the t-shirt that you are designing by sharing them the links. So that's how you can get out of the tier 10 quickly as possible. You can use those t-shirts to create a TikTok or Instagram video and market them. Also, you can send them as a Christmas gift to your friends and family, and that's going to give you the next tier up. Now in the last, if this video get 500 like and subscribe, you're gonna see the part 2 of this video where I'm going to teach you how to find the design idea and create a design with AI even you are not a designer, how to check the copyright, how to get out of the tier 10 and scale your business to $100 a day. Check out the link in description or somewhere here for the part 2 if you are watching this in the future. I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any question, let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next video.